Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about fault code P2646, rocker arm actuator system performance A, jammed, bank 1. This is a code that can be caused by a few different things, so we're going to go over the most common causes and how to fix them. We'll also talk about some of the symptoms that you might experience if you have this code, so you can be on the lookout for them. So, if you're having problems with your car and you're not sure what's causing them, be sure to check out this video. I'll help you get your car back on the road in no time. The P2646 fault code indicates a problem with the rocker arm actuator system in your vehicle's engine. This system is responsible for controlling the opening and closing of the intake and exhaust valves, and a malfunction can lead to various performance issues. Several potential causes can trigger the P2646 fault code. These include faulty rocker arm actuator. The actuator itself may be malfunctioning due to wear, internal damage, or electrical issues. Oil pressure problems. Insufficient oil pressure can prevent the actuator from operating correctly. This could be caused by a low oil level, a faulty oil pump, or a clogged oil filter. Wiring issues. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt the electrical signals to the actuator, causing it to malfunction. Camshaft position sensor problems. A faulty camshaft position sensor can provide inaccurate information to the engine control unit, ECU, leading to incorrect valve timing and triggering the P2646 code. ECU malfunction. In rare cases, the ECU itself may be faulty and sending incorrect signals to the rocker arm actuator. If your vehicle is experiencing the P2646 fault code, you may notice several symptoms, including check engine light illumination. This is the most common symptom, indicating that the ECU has detected a problem with the rocker arm actuator system. Reduced engine power. The engine may feel sluggish and lack power, especially at higher RPMs. Rough idle. The engine may idle rough or stall due to incorrect valve timing. Increased fuel consumption. The engine may use more fuel than usual due to inefficient combustion caused by the malfunctioning rocker arm actuator. Unusual engine noises. You may hear clicking or tapping noises coming from the engine, indicating a problem with the valve train. This script provides a basic overview of the P2646 fault code. For more detailed information on diagnosing and repairing this issue, it is recommended to consult a qualified mechanic or refer to a reliable repair manual specific to your vehicle's make and model. The P2646 code indicates a problem with the rocker arm actuator system in bank 1 of your engine. This system is responsible for controlling the valve timing, and a problem with it can cause a loss of power, poor fuel economy, and even engine damage. There are a few things you can do to diagnose the P2646 code. First, check the oil level and condition. Low or dirty oil can cause problems with the rocker arm actuator system. You should also check the wiring and connectors for the rocker arm actuator system for any damage or corrosion. If you've checked the oil and wiring and the problem persists, you'll need to take your vehicle to a mechanic for further diagnosis. They will be able to use a scan tool to read the codes from your vehicle's computer and determine the exact cause of the problem. The repair for the P2646 code will vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. In some cases, simply replacing the oil and filter may be enough to fix the problem. However, if the problem is more serious, you may need to replace the rocker arm actuator or even the entire cylinder head. The cost of repairing the P2646 code will also vary depending on the severity of the problem and the parts that need to be replaced. However, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few $100s to a few $1,000s to repair this problem. The P2646 code is a relatively common problem in vehicles with variable valve timing systems. If you experience this code, it's important to get it diagnosed and repaired as soon as possible to avoid further damage to your engine. Variable valve lift, VVL, is a technology that allows the engine to vary the amount of lift on the intake valves. This can improve engine performance and fuel economy. VVL is used in a number of different engines, including Honda's VTEC system. The P2646 code can be caused by a problem with the VVL system. If you experience this code in a vehicle with VVL, it's important to have it diagnosed and repaired by a qualified mechanic.